This is YFM 302NCA-TC auto nylon sewing machine by computer control for number 7 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine. First of all, you need to put the tape into the machine according to this direction. Okay, this is the right side tape, this is the left side tape, and this is the tension control. Okay, this is the joiner. So after sewing, we need to make a join. And this is the output for the tape. And these are sewing threads. So you need to release the stop button, press the green button. This is start button. This is jog button. Okay. And you can choose the language. We choose English. And the production length, you can set how many meters you want to produce. For example, want to produce 40 meters, okay, or 100 meters, you can press the enter. So once everything is okay, and you can press the jogging buttons to check the running is smooth or not. Once it's okay, and you can press the start, the machine will be auto running. And you can see there is the liner wheel speed. You can check each sewing thread running speed. Here has a sensor to check if the tape has a join or not. And this is the sensor for coil. Okay, if you want to stop machines, you can touch the sensor and make the machine stopped. Okay, this is for stopping. So we finished the machinery testing.